Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this pretty nice mini chainsaw that I think it's really good to have one of this, because let's say that you want to put some quick logs on your fire pit, you want to put some quick logs on your fireplace inside your house, you want to put some quick logs or some quick chips right there on your grill or something like that. So having something this kind of like convenient, that is like super easy to use, and it's kind of like hand size, and it comes with this really nice carry on bag that I think it's really good to have it with you on camping sites as well. Let me actually show you why I think that this could be a really good thing to have. So everything out of the box, this is the actual mini chainsaw. You can see that it's hand size, it's actually pretty powerful, and it has this thing right here for the blockage, which I think it's really cool to have. It's super comfortable, easy to use. It also comes with the gloves, which I think it's super cool. They included the gloves with a really nice grip. It comes with on and side instructions that are super easy to follow. The best thing about this, it actually comes with two batteries, not just one, but two batteries. And this is going to give you like a runtime of, depending on the usage for sure and the power that you put in it, I think it's going to give you a runtime of probably 60 minutes, both of them. So that's actually pretty nifty, pretty good. It's super easy to put, just like this. That's it. It's done. And for sure, the power cable to recharge the batteries for each one of them. So it's super easy to use. You just unlock it just like that. It has a locking button right here. It's unlocked now. And that's it. So let's actually try it with some logs and see how it goes. So remember to use either your goggles or sunglasses, and for sure the gloves. And other than that, this is really straightforward. You just grab this, just for sure. Always put your gloves, and that's pretty much it. That's it. It took me about, I think, probably 3 minutes, 2 minutes, no more than that. It is pretty powerful, judging by the size for sure. And this is a kind of like a thick log, I want to say. So I think that this is super good for on-the-go situations, like I was saying before, for the fire pit, for the fireplace, for your grill, for, again, something that you need quick logs to put in. And I think that for sure is going to be super convenient. Let's do one more. One more time, super easy, super quick, with two batteries, the gloves, the glasses, actually the goggles, the two batteries I was saying before, super easy to use, just like that. And you can just lock it back again, and it's ready to go to transport it to your camping site, to your friend's house, to your mom, to something like that. I think this is a really good thing to have. Convenient, easy to use, like it. I do recommend it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.